Miami, ladies and gentlemen, where the local time here in Miami is approximately 10 minutes after 11 a.m. We take our captain a few moments to taxi our aircraft to our gate, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. In addition, please keep the aisles clear of all carry-on luggage you brought on board with you. Extra care should be taken when opening overhead bins, as heavy articles may have shifted during flight. On behalf of American Airlines, your Miami-based crew, it has been our pleasure to serve you today. We realize you have a choice in air travel, and thank you for selecting us here at American Airlines. Have a very pleasant stay here in the Miami area, wherever your travel plans may take you. As a reminder, Miami is your first port of entry into the United States. All passengers traveling alone, the head of every family, is required to fill out a United States Customs form.